I goddamn love microwave food so friggin' much. Tater tots and chicken nuggies and pizza pies, all of it killing me now. My lean, mean, buff, macho man, epico dude physique is all based on microwave superfoods. Except my
Stupid idiot, dumb, stupid BAKA, stupid fool of a
sister. She thinks that microwave causes brain cancer and dumb, stupid crap like that. She's never eaten a single microwave food. And that's why she's a dumb, stupid nerd who does dumb people yoga and poops and stuff. I tried to live peacefully with her for as long as I could, but her stupid yoga person hasn't got too far. She went to her parents and gave them a PowerPoint presentation on why microwave foods are harmful because of the microwave energy emitted by the microwave converts the Earth's natural peaceful healing vibrations into negative phase vibrations that cause harmful chakra corruptions, which leads to terminal 27 brain cancer. I never knew I had soy beta nectar nugget parents, but they actually bought her truly idiot rambling. And restricted my frozen food consumption to be entirely mini-based oven.
But the mini oven doesn't taste the same and my muscles are big for it.
Every night I feel like muscle fibers dying off. I haven't slept well since. Every night I feel myself losing power and becoming a redditor. I need to stop this from spiraling any further out of control. I ordered 350 boxes of chicken nuggies from Amazon.com.
Sponsored.
And I have a plan for my stupid anti-wave system. I'm gonna go to her room tonight at 4 a.m. And I'm gonna use what's left of my powerful microwave muscles to bury her in a deep grave of frozen Chicky McNugs. She'll never see it coming. I'm sorry, Biggie J, but you know I gotta do it to them. I have to stop them before they go any more out of control.